Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve Windows Remote Desktop does not save credentials. So guys, to resolve this problem, if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this method will work in both. Just you have to open registry editor. So start and search regedit and open it. Now here expand HK local machine and expand software system, and here you need to expand current control set, then double click on control, and here guys you have to find out the folder LSA, this one LSA, double click on it, and here you have to find out this disable domain creds. So this key you have to find out here and right click on it and modify. Now here guys you see any another number, so delete and make it here 0. Then click on OK. Now exit the registry editor and restart your system. So using this method you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.